Well, hey everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you again from the Good Guys 10th Annual Spring Nationals here at Westworld of Scottsdale. And it's a gorgeous day, a little breezy out here today, but a buddy of mine, Terry Rials, who has a gorgeous Impala, directed me over here to this gorgeous freaking Cadillac. Check this out. This Cadillac won an award, and it's the coolest 1950s car award winner for Good Guys. So if you look at this thing, this is low, to the ground, airbag suspension. I mean, this is off the chart cool. Looks like it's got a CTS V engine in it. I mean, look at how beautiful this car looks. It shines. My goodness. Real live. Spoke wheels. This car. Let's get a shot of this here. Look at this. I mean, this is like the real deal. Cool car. Imagine how much fun it would be to drive this kind of car. Going days, you got plenty of room in the back seat, if you know what I'm saying, guys. This thing is so tough. Look at it. There's enough room in the trunk for a couple of cases of beer, a couple of sets of golf clubs, and a couple of dead bodies. You know what? Maybe today it did have a couple of dead bodies in it. Look at that thing. Alright. Wow, see, I told you it was an award winner here. Coolest 50s right there. Award winner for Good Guys, man. Alright. So, we're going to wrap up here. Again, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you from the 10th Annual Spring Nationals here, Good Guys event, Westworld of Scottsdale. From what we say in Eric's Garage AZ land, we say like, subscribe, share, drive like you would bitches.